Welcome to this short presentation on dynamic risk assessments. In this session, we will explore how workplaces and operational sites can adopt a more proactive and adaptable approach to safety management. Dynamic risk assessment, or DRA, equips us to manage real-time hazards in ever-changing environments effectively. Let's dive in. If you're new to the channel, of course, please subscribe and I can keep you updated of new videos when they're being posted. So what is dynamic risk assessment? Dynamic risk assessment, or DRA, refers to the process of continuously evaluating risks in real time as workplace conditions change. Unlike traditional methods, DRA emphasizes flexibility and responsiveness, enabling teams to adapt to unforeseen circumstances. This approach is vital for environments where risks evolve rapidly. Three guiding principles form the foundation of dynamic risk assessment. 1. Continuous monitoring, keeping a vigilant eye on changing conditions. 2. Real-time decision-making, acting immediately based on current data. 3. Employee involvement, empowering individuals to identify and manage risks actively. Together, these principles ensure adaptability and proactive safety management. Traditional risk assessments are static, offering a snapshot of risks at a particular time. In contrast, DRA evolves alongside the environment. For instance, a construction site's risks may change daily due to weather, tools, or tasks. Dynamic assessments adapt to these shifts, ensuring comprehensive safety coverage. Why is DRA important and does it matter? Well, modern workplaces are increasingly complex. High-risk industries such as construction, oil and gas, and manufacturing face evolving hazards. A traditional approach cannot keep up with the pace of these changes, making DRA indispensable for mitigating real-time risks effectively. Dynamic risk assessment involves 4 key steps. 1. Recognizing hazards, identifying potential risks as they emerge. 2. Evaluating risks, assessing their severity and likelihood. 3. Implementing controls, acting swiftly to mitigate or eliminate risks. 4. Monitoring continuously, ensuring ongoing safety by reassessing conditions. This cyclical process is essential in maintaining dynamic risk management. Modern tools enhance the effectiveness of DRA. Checklists and real-time monitoring apps ensure consistent evaluations, while IoT devices and wearable tech alert workers to immediate hazards. Effective communication supported by mobile alerts fosters quick action in dynamic scenarios. Leaders have a key role as safety champions. By fostering a safety-first culture, training teams, and leading by example, leaders ensure DRA is effectively implemented. Empowered employees are more likely to take ownership of workplace safety. Let's gain an insight by learning from real-world examples. For instance, on a construction site, adapting to a sudden weather change through DRA prevented equipment-related incidents. Another example in manufacturing shows how real-time assessments mitigated machine failure risks. These stories underscore the practicality of DRA in dynamic environments. Now, implementing DRA isn't without hurdles. Resistance to change, inconsistent application, and balancing speed with accuracy are common challenges. Overcoming these requires commitment and strategic planning, which we'll explore further in the next slide. It's important to have strategies for success. To overcome DRA challenges, focus on training workers to confidently assess risk dynamically, leverage technology to streamline the process and integrate DRA with existing safety frameworks. These steps ensure smoother implementation and greater efficiency. With regard to compliance, dynamic risk assessment aligns with regulatory requirements like UK HSE or OSHA in the US. Documenting DRA activities not only supports compliance but also provides accountability. By integrating DRA into safety protocols, organizations enhance their regulatory standing. Why adopt DRA? DRA offers multiple benefits, including improved safety outcomes, quicker hazard resolution, and enhanced worker confidence. By fostering a proactive safety culture, organizations achieve adaptability and resilience in managing risks effectively. And what's next for DRA? The future of DRA is shaped by technological advancements. AI, predictive analytics, And AR/VR are transforming hazard identification and training. Big data is enabling predictive risk management, while wearable tech continues to enhance real-time safety capabilities. In summary, DRA is a critical tool for managing risks in complex, evolving workplaces. Its adaptability ensures safety in real time, empowering organizations to respond proactively. As workplace dynamics continue to evolve, DRA is the key to building safer, more resilient operations. Thanks for stopping by. If you're new to the channel, of course, please subscribe and I can update you with videos as I upload them. But if you've been here before, of course, I welcome your thoughts and comments, as of course all newcomers. It's always good to have continuous improvement when it comes to creating these videos. Thank you. Catch you on the next one.